Have you ever watched something transform? I mean really transform. Ampow takes solid aluminum, something you could hold in your hand, and turns it into powder so fine it floats like dust. Heat, pressure, and precision. One mistake and the whole batch is useless. But when you get it right, you've created something powerful enough to change entire industries.
What makes it special is the teamwork. So we have the manufacturing people working with the customer service people, working with the people in the lab. Every day they're doing something new to move the company ahead. And the teamwork among the technical team, the manufacturing team, the customer service team are really important to make sure that we get our orders out on time and high quality to our customers.
What advice I would give them? Be tough, be resilient, keep a level head. Anytime you're stressful through any kind of work like this here, it can get very dangerous very quick if you're not level-headed and not focusing on what you're doing.
And all of us come together really well and try to, not only make a positive impact for our customers, but for each other. So
Diversity isn't just a word on a poster. It's how you solve problems. Different minds don't just think outside the box. They build a new box.
To understand physics, we have to understand people. We have to understand economics, how the economy is working. We have to understand customers, and we have to mix everything. So this is a very interesting job.
What's so cool about starting manufacturing in the local area is that it's an important part of our history, it's an important part of the current day, and it's an important part of our future. And it's certainly, very diverse. It's not one size fits all.
Machines do the heavy lifting, but people make the magic.